Welcome to Ulosca channel. Access all nursing practice questions. HESI Nursing Research Practice Questions with Answers.
Question 1. What type of research focuses on measurable, numerical data? A. Qualitative. B. Quantitative. C. Theoretical. D. Observational. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Quantitative. Explanation. Quantitative research collects numerical data and applies statistical methods to explain, predict, or control phenomena. It is ideal for objective measurement. Question 2. Which term describes how consistently a research tool measures what it is intended to measure? A. Validity. B. Accuracy. C. Reliability. D. Objectivity. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. Reliability. Explanation. Reliability refers to the consistency of a tool. If repeated under the same conditions, it produces the same results. It ensures dependability in measurement. Question 3. In evidence-based practice, what does the best evidence typically come from? A. Randomized controlled trials. B. Case studies. C. Expert opinion. D. Anecdotal reports. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. Randomized controlled trials. Explanation. Randomized controlled trials are considered the highest level of evidence because they use randomization to reduce bias and ensure valid comparisons. Question 4. Which term refers to the ethical principle of doing no harm in research? A. Beneficence. B. Fidelity. C. Non-maleficence. D. Justice. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. Non-maleficence. Explanation. Non-maleficence means avoiding harm or injury to participants. It is a core ethical obligation in healthcare and research to protect the rights and safety of subjects. Question 5. Which method is best for gathering data on patient satisfaction? A. Physical exam. B. Observation. C. Lab test. D. Survey. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is D. Survey. Explanation. Surveys allow researchers to collect subjective data from many individuals efficiently. They are commonly used to assess attitudes, opinions, and satisfaction. Question 6. What is a key feature of a double-blind study? A. Only the patient knows the treatment. B. Only the researcher knows the treatment. C. Neither subject nor researcher knows treatment. D. Everyone knows the treatment. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. Neither subject nor researcher knows treatment. Explanation. In a double-blind study, neither participants nor researchers know who receives the treatment or placebo. This prevents bias and increases validity of results. Question 7. A literature review is used to A. Create new data. B. Summarize existing research. C. Recruit participants. D. Measure outcomes. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Summarize existing research. Explanation. A literature review compiles and evaluates previous studies on a topic to establish a foundation for new research. It helps identify trends, gaps, and evidence. Question 8. What type of variable is manipulated by the researcher? A. Independent. B. Dependent. C. Confounding. D. Extraneous. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. Independent. Explanation. The independent variable is the one that is intentionally changed by the researcher to observe its effect on the dependent variable. Question 9. Which database is most often used for nursing research? A. JSTOR. B. CINAHL. C. LexisNexis. D. ERIC. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. CINAHL. Explanation. Cumulative Index to Nursing and Allied Health Literature is a specialized database for nursing, offering access to scholarly and clinical research articles. Question 10. What section of a research article explains how data were collected and analyzed? A. Results. B. Introduction. C. Methodology. D. Discussion. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. Methodology. Explanation. The methodology section describes the research design, participants, instruments, and procedures, allowing others to replicate the study or evaluate its rigor.
Thank you for watching. For more practice exam questions, subscribe to our website at www.ulosca.com.